Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a Destash Haul, I want to say. I think that's what it was called. Anyways, this one is from Sweet Girly Things. She on YouTube has been selling Destashes and yay! So basically it's beads, you'll see. And if you guys go to her channel, she does have lives and she does these stashes. Anyways, she also has on Instagram. She's Jassie's Sweet Stuff, but she also has a YouTube or not YouTube, Instagram, where she sells her these stashes or her beads, and it's crafting before anything else. I'll try to link them down on the description below, you guys. But if I don't, I will tag Tiffany um, on my video, so that way you know if you guys can go to her channel and hey, visit her, tell her I sent you guys, or go to her IG, and hopefully Tiffany will link her IG if I don't do it. And I do apologize if I don't do it. Anyways, so this was my little box. And okay, so I did open it before, you know, of course, and I tore the addresses and everything. But I just noticed this. How cute is that? Sweet. Pretty things inside. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, that is the cutest. Anyway, so let me go ahead and go. And oh my goodness, so I guess she had these. She's had several videos, you guys, and I have not caught any of her lives because you know, just difference in time, and I think she's having another one it's sometime soon. So these were her. Oh my goodness, I thought these were so cute. Oh my goodness, aren't these so cute? And I don't think these are beads. These are, oh yeah, they are. So how cute are these? I just don't know how to turn them off, but they are so cute. I'm so happy I got these. She did have them on this last live, and these were like her leftover stuff that she had. And oh my goodness, these are so adorable. So I was so glad I was able to get them. So yay. Anyways, so I know there's a name for this little girl, and I do apologize. I'll move that one out of the way. I know there was a name for this little girl. I don't know, but I thought she was so cute, and I didn't care what the name was. And I'm not much of a character person. But oh my goodness, these are so darn ass cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how cute are these? So I apologize if I don't know the characters' names on some of these, and you know, it's just me because I don't know. And she had these cute bows. Aren't these cute? Oh my goodness. These are like, let me take them out of the baggie so you guys can see them. And aren't these adorable? These are like Minnie Mouse, and of course these are beads. So she said you can put them in pans, or you know, do beads with them. So yay! And there you go. She had, oh my goodness, how cute are these? Oh my goodness, these are, I love the colors. Oh my goodness, Halloween stuff. Here are more of that little girl, like I said, or maybe it's a different girl. Like I said, I don't know characters, so. But aren't these cute? I figured I could use these for Halloween. She has this one right here. Oh my goodness. And I'm choosing to leave them in the bag because I honestly will probably have them rolling around. And these are rainbow bright ones. Oh my goodness. You guys can see. Oh, my focus is bad. So there you go. I was mainly in there for, and I was hoping not to miss it because I was looking for Care Bear stuff. So yay, I got some of these. How cute are these? So there you go. I got some clouds. How cute are these? And like I said, you could do it with beading. You could do these on pens. I missed out on getting the pens. I probably will go on for live today and buy some of those pens because I really would like to use those. There you guys go. And aren't these adorable? Oh my goodness, I love these. Jack Skeleton. I hope that's what the same is. Care Bears beads right here. Oh my goodness, how cute! I bought these. These are actually cute on video. They look so different, but they are so darn cute. It's like a pink pearl kind of looking. Here are more of these things. These was a mix, so I did get these. Yeah, This was a mix, so it was just whatever she put in there. Here are more of those Hello Kitty bows. Aren't these cute? Oh my goodness. And then here is another mix of these things. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I got him. Oh, he is so cute. And I think these are flat, like flat. They're not actual for beading. Here's more crowds. I got these bows. I got these bows as well. And then I got this, I did get these purple ones. I figured for Halloween as well, but I'm not too sure. I got these. And then I also got these. These are like the middle, like these are spacers, I believe they're called. So there you go. And then I got these little kitties. And that is it, you guys. Oh my goodness. And then she did send me 2 free thank you items. So thank you so much, Tiffany, for having an amazing live. Hopefully I will see you guys today again. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Anyways, so I'll link her down in the description below, you guys. She has amazing stuff, and it's just so much fun watching. And yeah, anyways, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.